I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently 11:49 and we just finished eating lunch. And our agenda for today is thesis tapos gawin ko yung sidequest ko na Utopia courses. Yung kasing dry bath for summer, di siya magagawa kasi papaliguan siya ni mama mamaya. So, mga yun ang gagawin ko is thesis, magre-revise ng thesis, and magbe-brainstorm ng ideas. Pero alam ko aalis kami ni mama. We're gonna go somewhere kasi may bibilin siya para sa tindahan. Bibili daw siya ng kimchi. So, you're gonna go with me. Kasi ngayon, guys, online week kami. So, hindi ako uuwi ng Manila this week. So, next week pa. So, it's a homebody vlog or I don't know. Let's see where this goes. And I'm gonna update you guys later. Bye! Okay. So guys, we're now in our... Kaya nakatabingi guys. Offer naman sa pagkatabingi. Per now, we're in our first location, which is Car Stocks. Di na ako pinababa ni mami guys kasi kimchi lang naman daw bibilin niya. So, kaya niya na siguro mag-isa yun, no? Ang next stop natin ay, hindi ko alam saan. Susunod na lang tayo sa kanya kasi lilipin niya daw tayo ni Starbucks mamaya. And while driving, guys, nag-isip-isip ako kung gagawin ko na ba yung thesis ko. And I decided to give myself a rest pa ng isang araw. Like, itong araw na to, papahinga pa ako kasi nga, yun nga, parang galing pa ako sa labas. So, I need my mind to rest. Ito, tulad din na sinabi ko sa last vlog na I'm steps ahead naman na sa thesis and revisions and everything na lang yung gagawin ko. And pag-print ng prototype, I decided to start it tomorrow. Kasi, ayun lang. Parang feeling ko, my mind is so tired. But then hanggang ngayon, my body is tired, my mind is tired. So, I don't want to force myself na, alam niyo yun, I don't want to force myself na gumalaw agad. So, tomorrow, it will be grind day. So, kung ano man yung nasa notebook ko, mamaya, I'll move it tomorrow. Yes. So, today, we're just gonna buy stuff for the tindahan. And then we're gonna go to Starbucks and then I'm gonna rest so that tomorrow I have energy. So bye guys, see you later. Dahil sa second location na tayo and andyan si mama any of that stores. Di ko alam kung saan dyan pero andito na kami sa second location and we're gonna go to the third location which is SNR. Ang arte, nakakainis. If you're gonna go to the second location, and ngayon naka-hazard lang ako sa gilid-gilid kasi walang parking. Actually guys, huwag naman kayong matakot kasi wala naman towing area dito, no? Pero ngayon, hinihintay ko lang si mom. Ang arte si mom, si mama, na matapos sa kanyang gawain. Kasi, gusto ko ng kape guys, like legit. Kapag nakapagkape ako guys, baka gawin ko na yung thesis ko mamayang madaling araw. Morning guys, it's currently, oh my god, kakagising ko lang guys, and I have online class ng 11:20 and it's currently 11:13 a.m. So I'm gonna join the meet in a while and I'm gonna watch Kyla Lee's vlogs while having online class kasi my attention span cannot, so I need to do things ng dalawang sabay. Also, I'm staying here sa sala namin kasi ang init sa kwarto ko guys. Parang
oven yung kwarto ko pag umaga. So, I'm gonna stay here, right here. And I'm gonna update you guys later kasi ang agenda natin today is, okay, I'm gonna share with you guys what's my agenda for today. Wait lang. My 11:20 to 2:20 class is to uh, revise yung financials, tapos mag-thematic analysis ako sa thesis, and then magpa-follow up ako sa consultant ko ng content validation ng prototype ko kasi kailangan daw yun. And then, mamayang madaling araw, July 8, we will go to Manila kasi ihahatid namin yung dad ko papunta sa airport. So, that's our agenda for today, guys. See you later kapag mag-online class na ako.
And try to watch as many movies as possible.
She needed to read a much movie. Very salty, but we're gonna watch Backroom. We recently just watched. Wow, for me? Oh, nice.
Okay, guys. Ito na. Haharapin ko na yung laptop ko after kung hindi harapin siya ng ilang araw, no? Kasi I feel like kailangan ko nang harapin ang aking responsibility. Kala mo naman talaga. So ngayon, I'm just looking for the link kasi 11:20, 11:18 na. Oh my gosh, ang kupad ko kumilos. So I'm just watching Kyla D's vlog while doing some work here. And then, ayun lang yung ganap ko today. It's so boring. And ganito lang ako for sure hanggang mamaya. So,
Okay, guys, quick side quest for Kat and I. Just like high school days, she wants to get petite pero wala. So, going back to home base and ATC. Hi guys, we're interviewing Justin and John. Where's John?
Hello. Hello to the vlog.
Yes, hello to the vlog.
Hello to the vlog.
They're having their second anniversary.
I've never been to this part of town. Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad I found you.
Please, me first. Me first. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh.
There's
Parang
a truck.
nakapag-
Why won't you give?
Okay, next location, sarado ang Top Chilog. Ay, umapunta sila dito, te.
Ay, oo nga no. Bilis sila maglakad ah.
So now, we're gonna try team and walk. Pag ito may team building din ba't pa kasi kayo nagtisi team building? Sorry. Stupid. Baba ka muna, tatanong ako kung ano. Pet friendly.
Kung may team building rin sila.
Kung pet friendly nila.
Sama ko.
Ate, sabihin niyo may stroller and all. So, ate pa, sabihin mo may stroller naman siya. So guys, we lipat. We lipat because there's no Top Chilog at the moment. So sad. Like, is this Tagalog? So we're gonna eat in Dimen Walk. Hintay ko na lang kung pwede yung aso. Sis, ano? Pwede? Okay, pwede. Bababa na kami. Let's go, girl. Buti nakasecure ako ng parking.
Dito ako nag-birthday. Ito yung last na kain namin dito sa Dimen Walk. So happy. And buti pwede dito si Summer.
Sige, try something.
Ayan si Summer. Buti pwede siya. Summer, say thank you kasi pwede ka.
Kasi hindi ako dyan.
Summer, say thank you na pwede ka dito sa nila, restaurant. Ito yung whole bowl. Hinati namin sa dalawa. Because why not? Yummers. Hey guys, we're now in Mizu. We're gonna have our dessert here. Di ko lang pag naririnig nyo. Pero sana naririnig nyo ako kasi maraming sound effects here. Hi guys. Hey Google, what time is it?
9:29 p.m.
It's currently 9:29 p.m. As you can see, may nakaayos pa rin ako. Summer! Umakat siya? Umakat si Summer and magda-diaper po tayo ng aso, no? So, inintay ko lang sila bumaba ni Shin. And we're gonna... Hi guys, it's currently 9:37. And we're on our way to Naiyawan. Kasi hatid namin si Daddy kasi flight niya ngayon. Mag-work na siya pero this is his last before retirement. So, yeah. Bye! Tara na daw! Hi guys, we're now going back to Pampanga. Just like that, we're going back. Grabe yung color na yun ha. Parang it's not giving on my face. Magkakape ka pa ba? Carry mo na. So ngayon, nasa may Skyway na kami. Then we're gonna go home and sleep. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Nyo ako ng maayos. Sana naririnig nyo ako ng maayos. And it's currently 2:33 p.m. And ang lakas ng ulan sa labas yon. So I don't know if naririnig nyo ako ng maayos or what. But right now, I'm just doing my thesis. Nagte-thematic analysis ako. And then, I'm taking it one day at a time kasi medyo nawawala na naman ako sa motivation, guys. And medyo maingay kasi may bagyo ata. So, ayun. I don't know hanggang anong oras ako magtitesis, but can I just show you my setup? Setup? Naka-brace ka, girl. Okay, guys. This is my setup. Here's my iPad. Nandyan siya para nakakanood ako. And here's my laptop. And this table is from IKEA, guys.
I mean, lahat naman ng table ko is from IKEA, but this one is new. Kakarating niya lang kanina, and I love it kasi as you can see, it's not epic. So, kung magkagog lang ako, I can use it, and then, naihiga din to guys. So, if I want to watch on my iPad ko na parang TV style, pwede din. And then, here's the deal breaker guys. Merong, what do you call this? Coffee something. Parang nilagyan na ng baso. So, it's so nice. And then, ayan, nakaangat lang yung nakatutok lang sa akin yung aircon. Ay, yung electric fan kasi it's so hot kahit na umuulan, guys. So, ayun, yun lang naman yung ginagawa ko right now. And sana matapos ko na siya, guys, kasi meron pa akong i-revise. Hi, guys. So, nagmerienda lang ako kasi may pa kami magdi-dinner and hindi ko alam kung naka-active yung noise cancellation nito, pero whatever. Pero guys, can I just say, nung natikman ko to nung pandemic, super sarap niya. Ngayon, inaw sa pagbagsak. Ngayon, so, I'll just take it 1 meal a day. Grabe guys, sobrang takang yung summer. Tingnan nyo, ubos na yung pagkain. Hoy! Nilinis mo na naman yan. Hi guys, it's currently 11:11 p.m. and we're gonna have mouse moment. Wow! Mouse moment. Over. Over naman sa mouse moment. So guys, meron tayo ditong Jollibee sponsored by, kita nyo ba siya? Basta't siya. Di ka naman kita ay. Kainis. We're gonna eat Jollibee. In fairness naman sa akin na ko na yung cravings ko. Basta wag lang talaga mag-ovulate and all. Kung hindi, wala. Hindi talaga kayang tiisin ang aking cravings. Ang init pa ng palabok. I love it. So, we have here palabok and young burger. And now we're gonna eat. So baka mahuli tayo nagbi-midnight snacks eh. Mapagalitan pa tayo. So BRB, okay? BRB. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Di ba actually na pala? It's already 12:13 Thursday, July 9. I currently have, and wala pa sila mommy. So, ako lang mag-isa at si Ate Oma. So, ngayon, I'm having lunch inside. Kasi ang init sa labas. And alam niyo ba, nung bata ko, this is my hyperfixation. Ito yung favorite ko niluluto ni mommy. Guys, okay, it is 4 p.m. and just finished our meeting. I can't say much about what we talked about, but it's about Aralyn. If you guys don't know, I have a brand with kids. It's called Aralyn. Ara is for Aralala, and Lyn is for kids.
nila, 3 unknown burger, 2 unknown fries.
Opo.
For here po,
To go po.
can I get your name po?
Alex po. Alex. Alex po.
905.
Ito po. May 5 ka?
I
Wala.
receive 1,000.
Mukha ba ako may wallet? Hindi, parang saktong. Oh, gumaling ako mag-master card.
Naka-hold up na kasi ba ito?
Satisfying. Oh. Tinatawagan nga namin eh.
Hindi pa na nagre-reply. Hindi, nag-reply nga siya sa akin. Nung pag-reply hindi ko siya nasagot. Chat mo siya. Yun yung mga
Isa pong one-piece chicken po.
One piece chicken with a medium portion.
No, a la carte lang po.
Any additional po?
Tsaka po isa pong 6-piece nuggets na meal po.
Any additional po?
Yun lang po. Ay, meron po kayo ng choco puff, choco lava puff po.
Sorry po, yung order po nila, isa pong one piece chicken, tsaka isa pong, yung isang order po nila.
Yung 6-piece nugget na meal po.
Medium fries and coke po yung na.
Regular Coke, regular fries po.
Tapos isang chocolate pa.
Meron pong available.
Yes.
Ayun po. Isa po. Ay, gano'n. Nakalagay na ganyan. Sabi sa Instagram, hindi daw nakikita eh. Naka-Instagram Plus kasi ako. So, yung mga comfortable na tao lang yung nilagay ko.
Sino?
Secret. Pero yung maklik. Kasi nga matagal na yan. Last ano pa yan nakalagay. Ayan o. Naka-Instagram Plus nga ako. So, diba? Galing ko, no? Mag-isip. Pag hindi, ibig sabihin, kung di mo ako isa-stop, di mo siya mapapanood. Ganun lang siya. Nasaan talaga ako, titignan ko yung EV matcha. Diba? Yun nga, gusto ko ng gusto ko matcha ko daw. Pero kung meron kasi siya, konting tiis na yun.
Pati ka mag-auto.
So gloomy, y'all. So gloomy. Wow, straight na yung parking ko. I'm so proud of myself. As Bobo mag-park. I just want to say that I'm so freaking sad. Excuse the face because I already put my skincare on and it's currently 10:33 and now I am moving my files from DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and Osmo Nano to my laptop and it's so freaking blurry. And di ko alam sino nagpalit ng settings. It's single all this time. Single yung focus niya. So, usually yung mga clips pala is blurry. Actually, meron na last time, yung current vlog ko, meron ng blurry vlogs. Tapos, syempre nahiya na ako ilagay kung ano pa yung blurry dyan. So, I hope this time it's better. And, nakafocus na sa akin, guys. Kasi super sayang talaga yung clips. Kasi, yung kumakain kami ng burger, hindi ko na siya inad. Kasi super blurry niya talaga, guys. As in, hindi ko siya gustong panoorin in the future. So, hindi ko na siya malalagay. But, yeah. I hope this time it's better. And, ayun, I'll do better next time. And, ayun. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Nasa ulit kami. Grabe, very bagong-bago. Hindi pa namin napupuntahan na Mizu Matcha. Grabe. Pangalawang appearance siya na to dito sa vlog, guys. Talaga nga naman.
Tagal? Ba't ka pinipicture ang sarili mo? Bibili ka po.
Guys, we're now in. Where are we? I don't know. Mic check. Asa mic mo? Hello, where's your mic? I have my mic here. Nahiya ako bumili matcha. Gusto ko bumili matcha pero nahiya ako. Gusto ko si 25. 104. Bili natin si Mami Pao ng ganun. Ano pa? Psyduck, Jigglypuff. Okay. Wow.
I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play.
Ano camera kaya?
And now we sway. We just sway. Now we sway. We just sway.
Nagayain ko si Sasa.
Don't stop
Ayun.
now. We're like the riddle in the sky. Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down.
Anong effect eh?
So let's
Ito.
pick it up.
Sasa girl! Yan si Sasa girl. Let's go to the next. Next stop. Next stop. Okay guys, change of plans.
Thank you din ako.
Change of plans. Nagugutom na kami guys.
I'm hungry.
Hey, nako. We're so hungry. Tapos naabutan pa kami ng stoplight. Like, is this Tagalog? Hindi pa nakakonect yung mic. Pero 20 seconds na lang naman. Guys, nagugutom na ako. Tapos, yung kakainan namin, babalik ulit kami doon. All the way there. Oh my gosh. Yung gazelle ni Lola.
May ganun si Lola?
Yung dala ni Mami Aisha.
Tingnan natin.
Konti na lang.
Konti na lang, pero lahat sila papunta lang.
Parang papunta
Hindi, maano talaga dito, di ba?
Hindi, may simbahan kasi eh.
Traffic talaga dito.
Ay.
Ayaw mo ata kaming ka-date, eh?
Oo. Hi guys! Nakarating din kami. Siya. Finally, nakarating na kami guys. Grabe, buti pinakinggan ko si Alex, no?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Pakinggan mo.
Ay.
Pinagdasal ko yun.
Pero grabe talaga yung ano, parang wow.
Pinagdasal ko
Nagugutom na ako.
Inano ko pa sila.
We're now in Bensan.
Nagano ako.
And we're starving.
Tapos gano'n
Hi guys, it's currently 7:47 and we're in Bensan Izakaya and I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry and I'm so annoyed. Thank you Lord for the Thank you Lord for the parking. Thank you Lord for everything. Okay.
Got you
5,
thinking.
4,
I get why you left.
2,
Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did.
3, 2,
'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now,
5, 4, 3,
adore me,
1.
adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong.
2,
I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart, but then she kissed your lips.
3,
'Cause now you adore me. Go ahead now.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay guys, that's all for my a week in my life. See you on my next one. Bye guys.